What you doing, man? God damn.
When the women come out in,
What?
say good morning, how you do?
Who doing that?
Me.
Watching what women?
The women coming in and out.
And what they saying to you?
How you doing? What your name, how?
And what you say back?
I said, we, you look good walking down the trail.
They hollering that old Howard Brown, huh? They want to get that old Howard Brown in, huh?
Oh, yeah. You doing all right?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty good.
What you been up playing with the dogs this morning?
Yeah, got up, cleaned up a little bit. And,
You cleaning up a little bit?
yeah, about to sit down and shit and Kiki. I just, when Brenda said she wants something, I gonna come run her to the store, and Kiki like she'll go. So I like shit, come on, we'll go together.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so. Feel good out here, don't it?
They good. They good, you remember that car Queeling there?
Mm-hmm.
That's that car there, playing. We had to put two motors in and make it run.
No.
That SGSS, you remember?
Uh-huh. You had to fix on it a couple times.
Yeah. So that girl one day I said, don't get up too close to me. You act like you want me to lick that pussy. I do want you to lick it. When can you got time to lick it?
Well, she said when you got time.
Yeah, I said, one of you got time to go in that closet and we get it going. But when you want to do it, I'm ready.
You gonna take it in the closet?
I took it in the closet, licked that pussy, and it like honey.
Man, this dude funny.
Sweet as damn. That is sweet as damn. You had to work today. You gotta wait, baby.
Yeah, I'm chilling today. Got some house shit done.
Did you?
Yeah, I really don't want to do nothing but eat, drink a couple beers, and sit on my butt.
She sold down yesterday. She cooked the hell out of that food.
It was good one. That damn gravy.
Ate that plate full. I ate like hell.
She fixed you enough. Ate that damn gravy in that rice. Huh? Buy me a pop. Man, come on, man. Stop playing, man. You know how we do it. What you doing, man? What you gonna cook? You gonna bake the chicken or fry it? I'm just asking. I ought to make me a damn, what's the name? And still get something. Make me a quick egg sandwich. What? Still gonna eat. I just start. That's why I'm like, what are you talking about? You know what I got? Eat like a motherfucker. Don't. I started to eat your plate last night. I started to. I said, nah, as soon as I do, she gonna wake up and say, she might go look for her food. Then and she, Dad, yeah, like I wanna go eat my food. You wasn't shit. Shit. I should have ate this shit. I was just talking about that shit outside. He said, man, she cooked like hell. I didn't know what he was talking about. If I'm like, cook what like? He like, man, she threw down. I said, what? He said, yeah, that shit was good. He said, man, he got so full. He said, man, that's a goodie. I said, you didn't throw it? He said, I didn't do that. He said, had that wavy on it. I would love when he eat like that, boy. I'm gonna get a quick exit. I'm starving, man. Ah, shit. This for Kiki.
Oh, they had took some pork chops out.
Oh, yeah, pork chop. Yeah. Red front, red.
Pork chops right there. I ain't seen no pork chops. Oh, you took pork chops out.
This Kiki.
Why she didn't tell me?
This for Kiki. That's crazy. How fat I'm acting. That's why I don't know. I'm trying to really hustle and get that motherfucker. He really said $100?
Yeah, but Mike can get to me for 75, but $100.
Tell her I'm making you an egg sandwich. This for Kiki.
Huh?
What?
You a pop with me a pop. 56, 56.
Okay.
It's 52, 56.
What? That nigga crazy. What size you gonna have?
Huh?
What size?
It's tall bar.
You wanna get the top? It's enough for
No, it's tall bar.
The cold.
It's tall.
We're talking about the ones that be like 2 for $4.
Okay. Well, let me see your hand, huh? They ain't give you nothing for the house.
They give me some sad.
They ain't giving him no cream or nothing for that.
I don't know.
They gotta be giving him something for that.
What are you doing with the skill?
This for Kiki.
I bet. Hey, for Kiki, I didn't get
This
intelligent.
nigga said, I bet. This for
With your
Kiki.
head to the for Kiki.
No, this for Kiki for real.
No, that ain't your devil.
Kiki, then you say you wanted an
Your
egg.
muffler coming in your face, your eye.
Kiki said, baby, I want an egg sandwich. My father-in-law buying me a pop, baby. I told Kiki, I said, my father-in-law buying me a pop.
You want one too?
Yeah, get her a pop too, huh?
I gotta go get y'all cigarettes. She told me to get your card. Get the cigarettes. You
Get
got
my
Did
card.
you left my purse in the car?
Oh shit, man, I ain't know.
It's alright. I'm going out to the store right quick.
You told me to get my car. No, ain't you say that? No, ain't you tell me no.
Give me this card.
Yeah, take my car. I got food, man.
What's on this food stamp card? I know, let me have the 2 before I already know, but I was saying, how much on here? Okay. Jeanette Train on getting very special kind of all the top.
Babe,
Uh-huh.
he said he can give me a pop and a bag of chips. He said give me a sour cream tonight.
I ain't say you don't get you no flour. Boy, you crazy.
What did I say?
You
What?
ain't about no sour cream on you. You crazy, isn't it? Yeah,
What did I say? How?
I heard you can't give me a sour cream on you.
Hell no! How?
What is that?
What did I tell her?
Some chips. Is the way he say onion.
Man, that nigga can hear his ass off,
He just
boy.
enunciate the own.
Man, he can hear like a motherfucker.
Yeah, he said you can holler, you can
That nigga Howard said, I ain't think get you no sour cream on you. Hell no, man. funny as hell, man. Hey, how you feel nice? Them motherfucker high was crazy as hell, man. I was trying to sneak into a key. I said, hey, he said, give me a bag of sour cream and onion chips, too. Man, nigga, hit his ass off. Nigga said, I ain't say get that nigga no sour cream onion.
You want me to just go to the dollar store and get all these drinks, or you want
Yeah, dollar store. She can give me a bag of chips, too, okay? At the dollar store. Sour cream
You want
onion.
what, the 1 liter or the 2 liter?
How? You said don't do what now? Lord, this nigga funny, man. That's chip. How?
You gonna sit and chill and talk shit for the house, right?
Yeah. He said don't get it. Mom said I can get sour cream. He said don't get what? You want an egg salad? You want an egg salad? Whatever I can get, yeah. If it's $1 big one, it's $1 big. Hey, whatever. If it's $1 big one, give me $1 big one. Oh, hell. Yeah. Hell no. Kiki cooking today. She cooking today too. She frying pork chop. Yep. She gonna fry some pork chop. Huh? You want an egg sandwich out? You ate breakfast? What you had? You had grits too? Talking about from the breakfast? Got that good old egg sandwich. I don't know shit about that. What she said? Egg sandwich hitting. That egg sandwich hitting. That egg sandwich hitting. The fuck are you talking about? What'd you say, how?
Egg trying to make you fall like you ate again.
Egg sandwich make me fall. That's what it's supposed to do, ain't it? Huh?
Yeah, you got an egg and bacon? Yeah.
I just egg on there.
Huh?
I just egg.
Well, it'll do you some good, they help yourself. Eat them. They line up in there.
Who?
I wrote for you to fuck them up there, boy.
They be coming through that little area flying though. You ever seen somebody fuck that shit up coming through there?
I seen a lot of them leave. Oh, you got a jack? I ain't got hell no. Go get a raker and get it. I'm not letting you tear my jack up on that car.
Oh, dude.
You know it was a hole to swap down there. You shouldn't have swapped in it.
You right about
I
that.
had better sense to go down through it.
Oh, dude, the bike been back.
Yeah, they gonna come back every day. Probably in their sleep. The bike be in their sleep too.
The bike be what?
In their sleep with them.
And nigga said the bike be in their sleep.
Yeah, they had to put the bike to bed, cover it up, and when they bring it out, they uncover it, park it away and put the sand there. You'll be here forever. I'll leave